bad gum disease, and all my own teeth were very, very slack, and actually I didn't feel that dentures were an option. Before I had the work done, I was very conscious of keeping my top lip over my teeth because I was embarrassed by them. Dr. Lutton was very good at putting me at my ease. He explained the procedure, he took time with me, he offered me the option of, if I had any questions, I could come back in for a second consultation. He had Selina, who was the nurse that deals with implants, at the end of an email, at the end of a phone. Anything I was unsure about, they were happy to answer that question. And I felt very much there was a very personal touch to the service that he was offering. My outlook in life has changed greatly because I'm employed in a sales role. It's very important that I look good. I'm dealing on a daily basis with hospital consultants, and if I can't smile, I can't sell them anything. So the implants have given me that confidence to smile again and actually smile when I'm talking to customers. If somebody else was considering this treatment, I would say to them, don't hesitate, go ahead, it will change your life.